What's up, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Infinity in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're back in the 2027 Infiniti QX65, but this time we're going for a drive in the Autograph. The other day I uploaded a video on the Sport, and now I'm in the Autograph, which is the highest trim. So, with the Autograph being the highest trim level, you get the Eclipse Reference Premier sound system with the speakers around the headrest. You also have this beautiful diamond quilt stitching also on the dash, and you have open pore wood trim. The Sport model will give you carbon fiber trim, and you have the Reference Premier badge over here too. You have paddle shifters, you have a head-up display as well, which I just turned on. You have the rear view camera, which is in the mirror. You also have a panoramic sunroof, and with the third row down, or second row down, there's a lot of cargo space, as you can see. You have heated seats, ventilated seats, and a heated steering wheel. Put the vehicle in reverse and you have a 360-degree camera system. A lot of space in the glove box or center console, and in the glove box. Let's walk around this vehicle, see what it looks like. Autographs also say Autograph on the seat, which is a nice little touch. The QX65 is available in the Luxe, Sport, and Autograph trims. As soon as I get access to a Luxe, I'll make a video on that as well. That will be the most affordable one. And I also have a walk around video on a white QX65 Autograph, which I uploaded about a month ago if you want to check that out. The wheels on the Autograph look really good. Bridgestone Alenza tires. This is a Moonbow blue color, very nice color. I love the daytime running lights, they look really aggressive. It looks really similar to the QX80. You also have the really nice black grille, very aggressive design, really sharp sculpted hood design, and full LED, of course. And the reflectors are on the fender flares instead of being on the headlights, which is nice. The QX65 really does look good. I think Infiniti nailed the design. It looks really, really luxurious and aggressive and classy at the same time. And I like the two-tone with the black roof and the paint. You also have AC vents in the back. Well, not AC vents, but you have like the AC controls, I meant, with heated seats as well. The AC vents are actually on the roof. Here's a little QX65 badge. And that's how you can unfold the seat, which is cool. And a lot of legroom back here too. The QX65 is deceivingly spacious in the interior. Like from the outside, it is a big SUV, but it doesn't look like it has that much room. But when you get in, it really does have a lot of room. Most coupe SUVs don't really have that much space, but this car really does. And here you can see the Infiniti rear cargo mat. And you have a lot of cargo space in this car. Let's look at the window sticker and we'll just go for a quick drive. 2027 QX65 Autograph all-wheel drive, 2-liter variable compression turbo with 268 horsepower, 286 pound-feet torque, 9-speed automatic, 21-inch aluminum alloy wheels, transmission oil cooler. This comes with the black roof rail crossbars, cargo package, splash guards, and premium paint. Moonbow blue, $1,695. Total price is $66,905. 22 MPG, 20 city, 26 highway. A very attractive car. Compared to the QX60, I think it looks a lot more aggressive. It really stands out. And as I mentioned in the test drive video I made on the Sport, it has like a little magnet on the wireless charging tray, so your phone, it'll like attach to this part of your phone, so it won't really flop around in there anymore, which is nice. There's Sport mode, auto, eco, snow, tow, and off-road modes on this car. ride is smooth and comfortable. The seats are very comfortable too. Like, it's very similar to the QX60. If you're familiar with the QX60, this car drives very similar to that. It's the same powertrain and everything, except it is tuned a little bit differently for a little bit of a sportier drive than the QX60. And I can definitely tell there's a little bit of difference for sure in terms of throttle response off the line and everything like that. And, you know, I'm sure a lot of people would be wanting to, a lot of people who have QX60s and don't need like a third row would want to upgrade and get the QX65 for a sportier look, more distinctive look. And if you're someone who has a QX60, you would really like the QX65. Like, it really does stand out on the road, in my opinion, especially with the daytime running lights. Like, it's kind of hard to get a coupe SUV styling really good, but I think Infiniti did a good job in the way they did this styling on this car. These ventilated seats work really well too. And I like the open port wood trim design. Steering feels nice. Car feels controlled. We'll take a U-turn over here and head back to Grubbs Infiniti. One thing I really like in the QX60 autograph, QX65 autograph, and the QX80s sport trims and autograph trims is the speakers around the headrest. I really like that. Like, these Klipsch Reference Premier sound systems are quite nice, and the speakers in the headrest are a nice touch. And you do have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the touchscreen's quite easy to use. And you can use the center dial over here too if you don't want to use the touchscreen. So you have two options there. And there's a white QX65 autograph right there. Great color on this car. Also, I really like Sunfire Red, which is a new color. I think that's like the signature color for the QX65. It's a really good looking red. So, we've returned to Grubbs Infiniti, so that concludes today's video on this 2027 Infiniti QX65 autograph. Great looking SUV right here. And if you're interested in the new QX65, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Infiniti in the description below if you want to reserve your own QX65. Thanks as always for watching Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next video.